wind's blowing the debris, dust, and it stinks. Tells you how old the dang thing really was. I calculated 149 years old in this building. All this is down at the back of on the side of it. All they'll be doing is cleaning up. We would not be watching them clean up. We're just watching them knock down. If they want to clean up, we'll let them be and go about our day. The thing is, make a room so they can finish the rest of the front of the building, bring it down backwards, and clean up a little bit on the sidewalk from yesterday. Sorry about that. The dust was coming my way. I don't know what area of this, what I got when I was, no. Now he's picking up. I mean, I'm sure when he gets done, he's going to be working on the front of the building going backwards. I'd rather see these come down, truthfully, when instead of coming down by a excavator, instead of having to come down by fire. We had that situation with Mabel Murphy's a few years ago, but they rebuilt, so. Wow. Very nice. Debris. Reminds me when I was at Webster Stanley, watching it come down. Man, I had to get my eyes looked at because a lot of debris went right into it. Dust and stuff went right into my eyes. Webster Stanley was a middle/elementary school. Feel free to check it out on my YouTube channel. Scroll through and you'll see it where I start in the beginning. I upload usually in order so that I've done the videos and posted them. So check that out. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment. Have any questions, add them. I'll see if I can just answer them. And I'm going to take it back to the front. All right, here we are back in the front. All he's doing is cleaning out the inside of where they knocked everything inward yesterday, and now he's cleaning out the inside before he gets to have room for bringing in the front and the side and the back. And then he'll be cleaning up after that more. That's when we'll be letting them do their thing and not return. Once it's done, it's done. So you can focus on other stuff. Okay, I mentioned this building next door in one of my videos. This building right here is the owner's waiting for permits to make it into a laundry facility, a laundry place / gas station, or there goes the sun, or it's gonna be a laundromat / convenience store. That one right there. That one's not coming down. It's gonna be converted into something else. It used to be a service station where vehicles are fixed. Mr. Sun, go behind the clouds again. I like the shadiness. And this is coming down to make room for redevelopment downtown. Alright, I'm back. I just had to keep somebody out of the video. Not everybody likes to be in the background. As soon as that's done, he'll take it, dump it, and then come back and fill up some more. 149-year-old building. They tried to save the year. It said 1987, but luckily I took a picture of it. And then hopefully I make a copy and give it to the city and they can make a bigger picture of it. Yeah, they look at me, but I'm filming. That's what I do for my YouTube channel. I film things that go on in Oshkosh for those who don't live here no more. And those that do, but they don't have time. And they're working. And I upload them to my YouTube channel. Dang it, sun, go away. Stay behind the clouds. Just like it did for the eclipse yesterday. The next eclipse that we get, it'll be 2044 and I'll be 60-something years old. I'm not in a hurry for that. I'll be 42 this year, so yeah. 2024. My mom. It's interesting to document all these places coming down and things going up. They're gonna put a low income, I believe, kind of building here. They already have a driveway over there in front of that truck, and then one behind the truck. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see it go up. Pushing it down so there's more room for more stuff. This excavating company, like I said in one of my other videos, they're out of Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. So they weren't able to come when we had a snowstorm. They had to wait till it blew over and cleared up. So they brought down the Golden Corral, which you can also check out on my YouTube channel. It was interesting, but I didn't record as much because it was too cold. But I did a lot more of the school, like I will be soon, going through Washington Elementary and Merrill Middle School and Elementary together on the same day but a different time. Zoom out so vehicles don't get blocked. Right, like I said, right now what he's doing is cleaning out the inside of it, so that way later on you can bring down the front of the building, the sides and the back. Still finishing up. We'll be back with another video of what's coming next. This one must be full, so he's gonna put that back on the truck and take off and empty it out. And then they'll be back at it. Until the next video. See ya.